Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
I'm not comfortable filming some of these shops because they kind of have like all kinds of I don't know, questionable stuff. Now you can see this whole little stretch, including Starworld Casino that we were walking underneath. And then that's our sign right there. And then you can, to get to the other side, you have to kind of go in a funny way over there, or you can go down here. And there's a little underground passageway that says Rua de Cantao. Okay, so we're in Macau. What we're gonna do is walk straight down this major street right here. We have Wynn and MGM, not too far from here. We got all of our black and white tiles. And then right there is the MGM Lion. You can see that. And then in the distance would be Macau Tower, which I don't think you can see. And the type of side is way over, and that other side, which is over that water, over that direction. So what we're gonna do is walk down our target street. And it's basically a bunch of these casinos. So stay tuned. There's a casino bus right there taking tourists somewhere down this way. Stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna try to capture this street. This block right here looks a little bit quiet, but that is deceiving because as soon as we get up there, it'll change quite a bit. The beginning of the street is kind of the furthest away, of course. The water is on the other side. You got a McDonald's right here, which may or may not be so interesting. And I hope I can capture the lighting properly. But you can see the MGM casino, so the MGM is in the background, and we're just gonna walk straight down this particular street. See what we can capture at nighttime. So let's navigate a little bit. This one right here is a hotel, and there's actually something called the Heart Bar up at the rooftop. I can see it, but I don't know if you can see it. And now we're going to get a little bit more lighting and a little bit more lighting and a little bit more lighting because we're going directly down towards, you can see President Casino straight ahead, a few of them. So the bigger ones are on the left, MGM and Wynn. And then on the right we'll start to see La Arc, and there's a, can't even remember, there's so many little ones all around here. So we're going to come by those as well. And we're gonna capture those as well. So we do got some nice lighting at nighttime on the street. A little tourist spot right there. That is a delivery guy. So there's deliveries very popular here. So now we're gonna get into a little stretch of people. And we also have the big lighting with the gold and silver and such as well. So I think I'm going to try to capture a little bit of both. I guess the buses are right in here too. So there's a line of people waiting for the buses to the left. And then to the right, it's kind of all these shops. They have like jewelry kinds of stuff. Maybe I'll jump up, but I don't know. I'm not comfortable filming some of these shops because they kind of have like all kinds of I don't know, questionable stuff. But we're gonna walk straight towards the La Arc Casino. But you can see to the right, basically there's a lot of shops that sell jewelry. I think they're like, some of them are like pawn shops. They have phones you can buy. Motai. But it is really colorful though. So let me just, in the bus. So this is what the street looks like. And there's a bus. Buses come down as well. And we're gonna turn around slowly because it's at nighttime and it doesn't really come out so well. That's our street right there, Avenida 24th de Junho. 24. I think I said that in Spanish, but 24 de Junho, July 24th. So we're gonna walk by La Arc, is our next big one. And actually this is, as a person who lives in Macau, I almost never come over here. So it kind of feels very like a tourist kind of feel to it. And the next big one is going to be some hotels. So we have, we'll highlight it in a moment. La Arc. So this one is La Arc Hotel, and it's also a casino as well. So there's La Arc. And then we're going to keep on walking down. I don't know if it's interesting or not. And then if you keep going all the way down, there's a President Casino, and there's Lisboa on the other side as well. We got some all-night pharmacy stuff here. Yeah, usually, you know, I feel comfortable filming everywhere in Macau, but here I'm not so sure because a lot of uncertainty. So we're gonna continue all the way down to the end of the street. It's the Arc. And then once you get over to the other side of the street, Grand Lisboa is over there, and then you can see the President, and there's a handful of kind of like if you're on this side of the street, these hotels are out of your range if you're compared to the ones over there. Like they're much lower. I don't know what the prices are now because I haven't stayed in a hotel in years in Macau, of course, because I live here. But in general, I know that those are a lot lower prices over there. And then next, this one is, I forget the name of this particular casino. And that whole area is called Nape. And this particular one, we're underneath the casino right now, and I can't remember the name. Macau is not that big, but so I should know. I'll see it in a second. Starworld. So this is Starworld. So we're walking in front of Starworld Casino right now. And we're going to keep on walking in front of Starworld. And you can see buses drop people off. So if you want to get around Macau and you're not sure where you're going, there's these little casino buses everywhere. So straight ahead, it's a Starworld bus, and you can get on those at the immigration points. And in a moment, we're going to go down that way. Let's go down this way first. So those are those buses right there. So that's a Galaxy bus. Straight ahead, that golden one. And all the taxis are coming in. And way down there, there's some other casinos as well. So I am going to catch this light while it's still green. Let's see if we can catch it. And we got it. And then I'm gonna come over here, MGM. Now you can see this whole little stretch, including Starworld Casino that we were walking underneath. And then that's our sign right there. nighttime one. I don't know how good this is going to come out, but if you're interested in the casino part of Macau, there it is a little bit there. This is the Macau side. It's not the famous Cotai Strip side. There's two spaces with casinos. Starworld. This one's marked by these kind of interesting shapes because these kind of block up in front of each other. And on that note, we're going to end this particular one. And I'll just go a little bit further. And then we're going to end this video. I'll try to give a little context to some other stuff as well. But yeah, so Wynn Casino has a pretty big space. Goes all the way down. Yoho Treasure Garden is down that way. Got a red light. And then up here you got President Casino. And we're gonna go across this one in a moment, which is now. And then to get to the other side, you have to kind of go in a funny way over there, or you can go down here. And there's a little underground passageway that says Rua de Cantao. And I think what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to go underneath. And then we're going to show you how this works. And then we're going to, so there's only one way to get, the way that this major road is that we're going to go underneath. You can't really walk across it very easily. So it's more common to go into this parking garage. And then you come up here and you got all the parking garage stuff up here. Then we're going to come right up into the Rua de Cantao, which is the Canton Street. And then this is going to get into the sketchier side of the casinos. I'll just highlight a little bit of it, but I'm not going to film because I don't really know there's basically like people who try to sell prostitution, and there's sketchy dudes, loan people, and all kinds of stuff. And I don't want to film them. But Hotel Fortuna is part of that. It's not part of it. That's just a normal casino. That's a hotel casino. But then when you come up here, you got all of this kind of interesting stuff. And I'm gonna end this film in a moment. I think that's enough for me. But yeah, you do have other hotels, Hotel Fortuna, and a whole stretch of them over here. But I'm gonna turn off the camera. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.